Hi guys, it's Jasenia. Welcome back to my kitchen. In today's occasion, I'm going to show you how to make some soft and delicious banana nut cookies. And these are all of the ingredients you're going to need. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 stick of salted butter, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 large egg at room temperature. Besides that, 2 bananas. And I would also recommend to add in pecans or walnuts into this batter or marshmallows, either one. But you'll want to begin by mixing in your butter until well incorporated and blended, and then go ahead and add in your sugar and proceed by adding the teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Next, you want to peel your overripe bananas and just cut them up and set them in your stand mixer and blend until we're incorporated. If you don't have a stand mixer, just use the handheld mixer or a spatula. And go ahead and mix and just occasionally here and there scrape the sides of the bowl. Take your egg and crack it open and mix. You're almost done at this point. Go ahead and add in your teaspoon of cinnamon and half of the flour at a time and mix. Repeat the process by adding half of the remaining flour. If you're only going to be making the banana nut cookies, feel free to add in the pecans to go ahead and mix with your batter, but because I was indecisive, I made one of each, so whatever works. Go ahead and scrape the sides of the bowl and then incorporate all of your ingredients very well, making sure that there's not any flour left in sight. And go ahead and spray down your baking sheets and grab 2 scoops. I'm using the 3 tablespoon scoops, so I added in 2 of each and then just combined it to make one big cookie. And then I went ahead and topped them with the pecans. And at that point, you want to just repeat the process. The possibilities are endless as far as the topping. Feel free to add in chocolate chips or a cheesecake swirl in between. Not necessarily just pecans. Besides the walnuts, you can use anything you like. Feel free to cover your topping so it's a little bit of the cookie dough, and set these to bake at 350 degrees for just 12 to 14 minutes. And there you have it, guys. You can get ready to enjoy these with milk, chocolate milk, coffee, whatever you would like. Be sure to check out any of my other cookie recipes listed within this channel. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.